Just imagine, everyone see that you are muted and deafened but you still can hear what they are saying. It's possible and I'll show you how to do that. But I'm not sure if it's 100% legit and you won't be banned from Discord. So you know this video is for educational purposes only. Alright, firstly you should install Node.js and Git on your PC. You can find all the needed links in the description. Okay, go to any folder you want. I'll just do it on the desktop. Open the terminal here. If you don't have terminal in the context menu, hold shift and right click. Then you can open PowerShell. Alright, install a package manager with the following command. Check all used here commands in the description. Then download Vencord using Git. Now a new folder appeared in the desktop. Open it. And run terminal here again. You have to install Vencord. Wait some time, and now it's installed. The next step, go to src and create here a new folder. Name it, user plugins. Open it and run terminal here. Use git clone command to download a custom Vencord plugin from GitHub. You can also check this plugin page on GitHub. I also check the source code so no one can get access to your account. Okay, when you are downloaded the plugin, go back to the Vencord folder and open terminal here. Now enter 2 commands to build Vencord with a new plugin. When you enter pnpm inject, select install Vencord, and I choose the default folder of the Discord client. Open Discord, go to the settings, Vencord, plugins. Find here fake deafen and enable it. You have to restart the client, and after this when you are joined some voice chat, see there is one more button, fake deafen. If you enable it, everyone in this chat will see that you are muted and deafened but you still can hear everything. You can even speak if you enable the mic. So you can prank your friend or just overhear their conversations. Thanks for watching.